If you've been having trouble with the ChatGPT text pasting box, and pasted text just isn't showing up correctly, don't worry, this is usually a browser issue, and in this video, I'll walk you through the quickest fixes step by step. This guide is simple, fast, and will help you get pasting working again without wasting time guessing what went wrong. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes and tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open ChatGPT and refresh the page. A simple refresh can clear temporary glitches that stop the paste box from responding properly. If that doesn't fix it, try a different paste method. Use Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac. You can also right-click inside the chat box and choose Paste from the menu. If the text still does not appear correctly, use a quick workaround by pasting the text into Notepad first, then copy it again from Notepad and paste it back into ChatGPT. This strips out formatting and can solve hidden clipboard issues. If you're still having the problem, the next step is to clear your browser cache and cookies. Old browser data can sometimes interfere with ChatGPT input fields, so clearing it can make the paste box work normally again. If you don't want to clear everything right away, you can also open ChatGPT in Incognito mode and test it there. Incognito mode starts with a clean browser session, which makes it easier to see whether the issue is caused by stored data. If the problem is still there, the next thing to do is disable browser extensions. Extensions like AdBlock, Grammarly, VPN tools, autofill tools, or other script blockers can interfere with the text box and prevent pasted text from appearing properly. Turn them off one by one, then reload ChatGPT and test again. In many cases, one of those extensions is the real cause. Once you followed these steps, ChatGPT should accept pasted text normally again. So to quickly recap, refresh the page, try a different paste method, clear cache and cookies or use Incognito, and disable extensions that may be interfering. If this video helped you fix the issue, please like the video and subscribe for more helpful ChatGPT tips, troubleshooting guides, and AI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.